Let's take a look at building a sustainable environment. Socially responsible leaders influence others to sustain and preserve the external environment through a variety of actions that go beyond mandatory control. Helping build a sustainable environment can involve hundreds of different actions, such as making packaging smaller or, when feasible, using energy from solar panels or wind turbines to replace burning of fossil fuel. Many organizations sponsor team building events in which participants build a playground or refurbish an old house in a declining neighborhood. Preserving an old building uses less energy than constructing a new one, and it enhances the aesthetics of the environment as well. For organizational leadership to better evaluate their sustainability initiatives, it's important to rigorously evaluate the steps, the processes they're using, and the true impact on the environment. As with any corporate social responsibility initiative, critical thinking is required to determine if a given sustainability initiative is doing any good.